Just opened up my door and check this out. We got an outdoor air conditioner. Oh boy, this is going to be fun. All right, so let's go ahead and get this thing opened up. Looking good. Let's check it out and let's see what we got. All right, so there's a bunch of stuff in here. Probably going to need this. Does have a controller with it. So let's set that there. And then we've got to cut all these. All right, so let's pull this out. Set that there. I do believe this whole thing should come right out. There we go. All right. So there's a whole bunch of pieces in here. This looks like a collar piece here. These look like flex hoses. And this looks like some more collars. And I do believe this is the power station here. Let's just take a quick look. Yeah, that's that. So this is a transformer here, and it's going to have a plug. So there's another plug somewhere. We've got to find it. Let's set that down here next to that. All right, so let's go ahead and unwrap these. All right, so this definitely looks like a collar, right? We'll set that there. I do believe this is like for the dual hose. So that's a dual hose collar. And all of these, oh, there's stuff inside. Check it out. So they put the power cord here. So you're gonna need that to put it with that transformer. And let's just check out the flex hose. Okay, so there's one. We'll keep everything because we don't want to lose any of this. And here's a drainage hose. We're going to need that. Set that there. Pull that out. So remember that we're going to have to when we put this stuff away, we'll put it away inside these flex hoses. And there's another one, right? So that's everything that comes in that top part. Oh, and this, of course. And this. All right, so let's open this up. So we may need this. And there it is. This is the controller. All right, so it does have this little thing that you pull out and then it'll work, but we'll wait to do that. I'm gonna set that right there. All right, so far so good. Let's just put this over here. And this is the unit here. Take a look. All right, we got to pull it out of its plastic. Wow, this thing is pretty cool. Oh, there we go. All right, let's slide the box out of the way. Set her down. All right, so there we go. That's everything. Okay, so let's take a look at the unit. I do believe the power cord is going to go here. This may be the drain. Notice that this does have a cover, which it wasn't on there when we got it. This looks like where the air is going to get sucked in. The air gets blown out here, all right, and sucked in here from what I'm seeing. And I think that this is the name of it. Enjoy Cool. Here is the power doohickeys. And it kind of tells you strong, cool, fan, sleep, power, plus and minus. So they're pretty simple, right? And I think they probably correspond directly with this too. So you can see there's the power. Here, let's just turn it this way. You can see it's basically the same thing. Power, strong, cool fan, sleep, plus and minus. So yeah, that's it. All right, and look, I can do it with one hand, so that's pretty good. All right, so that's everything that comes in the box. Here is the paperwork on it, and let's see what they say. We may have to read up on it before we do anything. Here's some type of warning that comes with it. So if you guys want to screenshot that, you can. And I'm not going to go through this. I'll show you on the machine itself. But it's going to show you all the, I mean, it's pretty simple. You just got to plug it all in and put your flex hoses on. And that's it, really. It's kind of like just like any portable AC. Okay, bam. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to use this thing. Peace out.